Hey Kenneth, what are we discussing today?
Today we're discussing gold bonds. I hope you guys like the fun introduction. I'm Kenneth, I'm an analyst at ICAP, and today we're going to see if it's worth investing in sovereign gold bonds. Now let's see whether it's worth investing in physical gold or in GSB. Well, not this GSB, but gold sovereign bonds. And here's 3 reasons why. Firstly, there's no storage costs, which means storage costs are eliminated since we are not storing physical gold in the banks. Secondly, there will be no issue with regard to making charges or the purity of gold at the time of selling. And finally, you can hold these gold sovereign bonds in your demat account after 5 years and they can be traded. So let's get a general understanding of what gold sovereign bonds are. These are government securities denominated in grams of gold. So the quantity you can purchase, it can go from 1 gram up to 4 kgs. The maturity period of gold sovereign bonds is 8 years, but after 5 years you can choose to exit out of the scheme. Now let's talk about price.
I want to purchase gold sovereign bonds. What is the price?
It's around 5,200 for a gram right now.
Oof, that's too expensive.
Okay, for you, 50 rupees discount. Does that work?
Thanks, man. I love you.
Sure. Let's talk about rate of interest and tax. You will earn a 2.5% per annum on gold sovereign bonds, and at the time of redemption, which is at maturity at 8 years, there will be no long-term tax on your redemption amount. The gold will be redeemed at the current market value, but in case you choose to redeem it before 8 years, there will be long-term tax. Here's a few advantages of investing in gold sovereign bonds. Number 1, you can use it as a collateral against your loan in case you're taking any. Secondly, let's say the stock prices go up, the gold price will fall, and vice versa. So why would you want to invest in gold? To create a hedge. Last but not the least, for portfolio diversification. Remember, don't put your eggs in the same basket.